Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making super soft chapati using 100% wheat flour. I got the flour from a supermarket. Yes, create a well in the flour. I'm using 1 kilogram wheat flour, 100%. I have onions, ginger, and carrot. You can add in green pepper. So I'm going to be adding all that into the flour. Create a well and add the ingredients. I'm going to be adding in 2 eggs as well. So I'm going to add salt. I'm going to use half a tablespoon. You can do 1 tablespoon and balance with 1 teaspoon sugar. After that, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon full of margarine. You can use butter. So mix everything together so that the ingredients are well distributed. So once the ingredients are mixed, create a well and then pour in warm water or use warm milk. Here I'm using warm water because one of my siblings does not like milk. So pour in the water gradually. You don't want to pour in a lot because it will get wet. So you want to avoid that. So bring the ingredients together, need to form a dough. Flour your board and then transfer the dough and continue kneading until you get a soft and smooth dough. So I am done kneading the dough. I'm going to put some oil. I am going to put both in the bowl and on my hands to remove the remaining dough that did stick on my fingers. And then I'm going to form a ball and let it rest for 10 minutes. So the 10 minutes are done. Next, I'll be forming balls out of that dough. I just need a little bit. Yes, it is now soft, very soft. So I'm kneading it just a little bit and then I'll be forming balls, ready to roll. Right there, I am done forming the balls. If you're enjoying this video so far and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and like and do share with your friends. So there, I'm flouring the board and then I'm going to be rolling. So as you're rolling, ensure you roll evenly because you don't want the middle part to come out thin and then the edges thick. Because once it is thin, when you fry it, the middle part will be hard like Jesus's bread. You don't want that. You want to achieve softness all over. Yes. So I continue rolling until I finish the rest, and then the next step will be frying. So right there, I am done with rolling, and then I've heated my pan first, so then I'm going to put oil so that it heats a little, and then I put my rolled dough for frying. So once you put the dough, leave it to bubble first. Once it starts bubbling, that is when you turn it over. Do ensure to keep pressing the edges down so that they fry evenly. Don't just focus on the middle part. So I do press it down, the edges I mean, so that it also cooks evenly. So I'm going to do the same for all my rolled dough. Is how we make the chapati. I keep turning them over to distribute heat, and then I'm going to be covering with cling to keep it soft. Thank you for watching. Until next time.